Skademe was born out of the need to bridge the skills gap in the industrial sector. We saw a growing demand for high-quality, accessible training that could help professionals advance their careers and improve operational efficiency in their industries. With a vision to empower individuals through knowledge, Skademe was founded as an online platform offering specialized, industry-focused courses. Today, we're proud to provide comprehensive learning experiences to professionals who are shaping the future of industries worldwide.